color, positivity, heart. This is the work of Jason Naylor. In this video, we're diving into the life, art, and impact of this vibrant force of creativity. From giant open heart murals to brand collabs and charity initiatives. This is the story of Jason Naylor and why the world needs more artists like him. The materials we'll need are white cardstock, pencil, and eraser, a variety of sharpies including neon and black, as well as my favorite Crayola Neon Premier Tempera paint, paintbrushes, neon-colored pencils, and optional Posca paint pens, all of which will be linked in the video's description. Jason Naylor is an award-winning New York-based artist known for his unmistakable style, bold typography, electric color palettes, and messages that radiate love, kindness, and inclusivity. Trained as a graphic designer, Jason merged his professional background with a street art edge to become a celebrated muralist, turning blank walls into bright beacons of self-love, kindness, and emotional connection. At the core of Jason's art is a powerful trio: love, kindness, and an open heart. His messages are simple, whether it's dream, imagine, kindness matters, or believe. His murals offer a moment of peace and encouragement to everyone who passes by. Naylor's art has crossed over from the streets into some of the biggest brands in the world, and through these collaborations, his message of self-love, positivity, and color reaches global audiences. From product packaging to public installations, Jason proves that commercial work can still be authentic, uplifting, and impactful. Some of his collaborators include Coach, Sephora, MAC Cosmetics, Pepsi, Fanta, and Rag & Bone. But here's the thing, these partnerships don't dilute his message, they amplify it. He's also partnered with numerous nonprofits using his designs to support mental health awareness campaigns like You Are Not Alone murals, anti-bullying, community wellness projects, and youth empowerment, as well as teaming up with organizations like the B+ Foundation, which supports families of children with cancer, and Susan G. Komen, helping raise awareness and funds for breast cancer research. In 2020, Jason released his book, Live Life Colorfully, a vibrant manifesto filled with quotes, artwork, and reflections. It's not just a coffee table book, it's a daily reminder to live life with intention, joy, and courage. His motto, Live Life Colorfully, it's more than a catchphrase, it's a call to action. And then there's his 3D open heart character, a symbol of emotional openness and vulnerability. This heart-shaped figure isn't just adorable, it's meaningful. It represents living your life with your heart on your sleeve and your soul in Technicolor. Jason Naylor's work isn't just visually stunning, it's emotionally transformative. His murals become landmarks of light, inspiration, and hope. They invite conversation, celebrate love, encourage kindness, and remind us to connect with one another. Now, my amazing artists, it's time to grab your art supplies and open your hearts. I can create a Jason Naylor inspired open heart using color theory. To begin our open hearts, we're going to use our previous knowledge of lines, shapes, and patterns. You've practiced these elements before, and now it's time to put them to work in a meaningful way. As we use Jason Naylor's Open Heart series as our inspiration, this will not be a typical step-by-step tutorial. Instead, this video is about the creative process, about being bold, being intentional, and most of all, being you. As I draw, I'll also show you a few more examples of Jason Naylor's open hearts, just to get those creative juices flowing. But remember, this isn't about copying a specific heart or following exact steps. It's about trusting yourself as an artist. Take a chance, try something new, and most importantly, create a heart that's uniquely yours. Because if Jason Naylor has taught us anything, it's that art isn't about perfection. It's about connection to yourself, to your message, and to the world around you. Whether you're a young artist just starting out or someone with years of experience, your voice matters. Your message matters. Art is not just about beauty, it's about courage, message, and mission. While you create your open heart, I want you to think about this. First, what does it mean to have an open heart? Next, what do you want your heart to say? And lastly, how can color, pattern, and shape help you express that? This is what we call intentional art. Art with a purpose. Art that communicates a feeling, a theme, or a message. Now that we've drawn our open heart, it's time to color with neon Sharpies and some other colors you may have chosen as part of your color scheme. For example, maybe you're doing the color wheel like rainbow order or a warm or cool color scheme. Now let's talk about the important element of art, color. Because Jason's work, explodes with bright electric hues. His palette is full of neon pinks, sunny yellows, deep purples, and energizing blues. These colors aren't random. They're carefully chosen to evoke feelings of joy, energy, and hope. In interviews, Jason has said that bold colors are a form of optimism. They're visual proof that life can be bright, even in hard times. This use of color is especially powerful in public spaces. Imagine walking down a gray city street and then suddenly seeing a giant mural that says, "Open your heart," in rainbow letters. That's what Jason does. He turns ordinary spaces into affirmations of love. Now, in order to really achieve the vibrancy and color saturation that Jason gets with his murals and digital works of art, we are going to layer neon tempera paint on top of our Sharpied layered hearts. As you take your time painting your open heart, I want you to reflect on the larger-than-life murals to the heartfelt messages of Jason Naylor. He is proof that art can do more than decorate. It can heal, empower, and unite. So whether you're painting a mural, designing a poster, or just doodling in your sketchbook or on your homework, remember Jason Naylor's message. Keep your heart open. Be kind, love out loud, and never be afraid to use all the colors in your box. His work proves that creativity and compassion can go hand in hand. Next, with both white and neon colored pencils, we're going to add some visual interest and a more three-dimensional quality to our hearts using the element of art value. We're going to start by creating a white highlight. Then, using your darker colors, create darker areas and shadows on the outside edge and right next to your white highlight. You're going to continue this process all around your heart. Lastly, Posca paint pens can create additional contrast and visual interest to your open heart. I'm going to create this little shimmer spot on my heart with my Posca paint pens, as well as some additional highlights, and then go back in with your Sharpie and create a shadow. Well done, my most amazing artist. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring artist stories. Until next time, stay creative and stay kind.